Well, I was sitting there so calmly thinking how nice it would be to just go up on stage and not have to say anything. And then when I was given this opportunity, my little heart just started jumping. I just want to say thank you to Peter, for this recognition. And I also want to thank our customers. But what an incredible thing these two have done for our industry over the last couple of years. As a Canadian, we sometimes feel a little bit like we're a mouse sleeping next to an elephant. And the remarks that Susie and Peter made at the outset about the fairness of the process really ring home for us, because we're a small